Yes, so I just woke up on Sunday morning after the Sunday service, and I was led strongly in my heart to go to the water and pray for my fans, to command things to start happening in their life. And this is me. I just dressed up in my prophetic gown, in my white, going to the river to pray for my fans, my active fans, my people. What you don't know, you don't speak against. God is everywhere, even in the water. God is everywhere. God has power over everything, even over water. So if you don't know it. There is power in water. Yes, so look at me now, going and walking down there. Though the time of this video, I never knew my son. One of my boy was videoing it. It was right here now I noticed. Then in my heart I said, thank God. All things worketh good for them that believe. So anywhere you see yourself, pray what you want. Those of you that are castigating, why will you go to the river to pray? What about you that goes to the mountain to pray? What about you that goes to the river for baptism? There is power there. You can pray everywhere, anywhere you like. God is there. At this moment, I knew my boy was taking this video. So I told him after he videoed the river, you should please go off so I can concentrate because I don't like doing video while I'm doing my work. Yes, so my people, this is me, the only lioness, the prophetess with difference. God is good. So after this, I was instructed as this video is here, you should drop your full names and 3 things you want from God to do for you. And as I prayed for you here, by you writing down your requests, you will see it come to pass. Okay, I'm going to leave you people now to do what I came for. God bless you and see you next time.